How to connect a game controller to Sonic Rumble. First of all, make sure your game controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries. Then turn on Bluetooth on your device to prepare for pairing. Next, put your game controller into pairing mode. This is usually done by holding the designated pairing button until the indicator lights start flashing. Once your controller is in pairing mode, open the Bluetooth settings on your device and look for the controller in the list of available devices. Tap on it to connect. A confirmation message will appear once the pairing is successful. Now open Sonic Rumble and go to the settings from the 3 horizontal line menu. Then navigate to the controller or input device section and select your connected controller as the active input method. Test the buttons and joystick to ensure everything is working properly. Using a game controller can improve your gameplay experience, giving you more precise control over movement, jumps, and attacks during races, challenges, and missions. Now you know how to connect the game controller to Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.